Hey guys, it's your girl Samil Jalisa and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to show y'all my quick hair routine. Just a quick hair get ready with me. I'm just going to show y'all how I get old straight hair laid again, basically, without using a hot comb. Just really quick, simple and easy, affordable, inexpensive. Like, I'm going to show y'all how to get this. Okay, period. And I just wanted to film this video because this is something that I just noticed that I do all the time and it's really quick. I feel like using a hot comb, one, can get scary because I don't be wanting to burn myself, and two, like, not everybody wants to use one, not everybody has one. Like, people just want to use what they have on hand, and I just want to show y'all how I get it laid. Like, this has so much body, and I bought this hair like almost a year ago. That's crazy. And I wear this hair all the time. Like, I literally wear it all the time. So I just wanted to do this hair get ready with me. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned. So basically what I do is, my hair is already straight from me straightening it previously. I'm gonna show y'all how I just keep it looking bomb. So I'm gonna go over it again, and yeah, I'm gonna take my Lot of Body mousse and I'm gonna take my Got To Be spray. This is what I do. I just take a good bit. I'm running low. This is my favorite mousse. I suggest you use that because some mousses don't work that good. Put the mousse on it and take a skinny rat tail comb. And now we're gonna go in with the straightener. Like I said, it's already previously straightened, so I don't have to do too much. I just have to basically just run over it just to make sure it's like any dents are out. Y'all know what I mean. So don't talk about the way I'm straightening because I'm just trying to get any dents I see out. I'm not like full-blown straightening my hair. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit. You can let it sit till you're about to go. You can let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, whatever. It really depends for me what I do. I'm probably just gonna leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes, but whatever works for you, it's all the same. I feel like I really just be bringing this hair back to life. Like, I've had this hair for so long and I don't know why, but it just gets so crazy, and I really just be doing what I gotta do with this wig. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to take this off. And you can literally, I literally felt like the hairspray sticking to my hair. And that's what I want to hear. because that means laid. Period. I don't know, this was just a quick hair get ready with me just because I was doing my hair and I was like, I don't know, I be feeling like I really be finessing it, like, for real, because this is old hair, like, this is not new, but this looks like I literally just got it. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. This is the final result. Yes, laid body, period. So if you guys want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below any videos y'all want to see. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, all that good stuff. I have more videos coming out for you guys, so stay tuned, turn on my post notifications, all that. And yeah, I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I'm amazed. I'm shook. I'm really shook. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.